So, guys, oh, look at her hair. Oh, diba? Thankful kay God. I have a hair. I have a daughter that has a nice hair. So, throwback lang. Ay, throwback really. Kwentong, before. Kay dati akong hair kay kalbo. Wala ako'y buhok sa una, kalbo. So, this is my frustration. Frustrated kay ko sa una. Kay pangit akong hair, kalbo. Tapos karon nagkaanak ko na buyag kay buhok as in, oh, 'di ba? Super shiny, tapos super long. Tara pod akong isa, oh. 'Di ba? Super I mean kanang 'di ba when you pray, God really answer prayers. So tonight before ta matulog, let's thanks God for all the good things that happen to us. 'Di ba so yan? Yes.